Hello, everybody. Welcome to my weird, wonderful world. And although I'm not necessarily into it, of course, he had to pick that moment to rev his engines at the exact same time I'm trying to talk. But it's okay. What's happening is that we're at well, I'll show you behind me here. There's a car show going on Main Street here in Moncton. And yeah, I just came down to use the bank and everything. And yeah, so I'm going to give you guys a little show. All these old cars, yeah. So I'm heading up that way anyway. The road is closed to traffic, so everybody's walking this way. So show you the cars as I go along. Yeah, I'm heading up towards the mall anyway. So I think yeah, this is a perfect time to film. You know, and just like of course, just like the American laws, there's no privacy in yeah, no sense of privacy in public, no expectation. So some some barbecue and food and that. Oh, I haven't eaten yet. That's awesome. Little they set up some picnic tables and that. Not picnic tables, but tables. Well, that's cool. Okay. Yeah. Nice, nice car. Yeah. All up this, all up the road there a little bit. Yeah. So you don't know what we're gonna see.
You missing it. You should take a picture of your chair.
Yeah. Yeah. A lot of Mustangs and stuff. Yeah, a Mustang, a Beaumont. Yeah. Like I say, I'm not much of a car fan, but I'm sure some of you out there would love this. So that's why. I mean, I still love a good design. I mean, I love the blue flame on the side here. Hopefully you can see that properly. Yeah, there we go. There's a nice blue flame on the side of this car. That's nice. That's nice. These are nice cars. Nice and green. The Hulk. There's a Hulk. And that's an old rust bucket, but it's still beautiful. Love it. Uh, I don't know if that's part of it, but anyway, that's pretty cool. Bronco. Yeah. Oh, I like the green on that one. Woo! That's a nice little plaque for that. Yeah, that's cool. Chevrolet. Yeah. Uh, looks like they're gonna have some shows in that. There's not much more cars after this. There's just a couple more up here, and then yeah. Like I said, I'm heading to the mall. I gotta go get some provisions and stuff. But yeah, I wanted to show you this stuff here. Yeah, yeah. Oh, lowrider. Check out that lowrider over there. Go a little closer to that. Look how low that is to the ground. They can't ride that low on these streets, not in this town. It's just for show right now, but that's cool. Yeah. Yeah. And then there's There's a few other cars down that way too, in front of the library here. So that's the Moncton Library. There's some of our finest here. Keeping the pace. Yeah, a lot of old cars down this way. I'm doing a YouTube video. I'm doing a YouTube video. Yeah. It's a good day for it.
And it's so nice too.
Yeah, well, you enjoy your day.
YouTube.
Oh.
We'll go on YouTube, see if we can find it.
Oh wait! Oh! I just spotted a celebrity. We have a celebrity, and you know, this is a movie star, well, TV star and a movie star. So yeah, not too often you meet a celebrity, but I've met this celebrity a couple of times.
Yes, we have to. We saw
Yeah, the General Lee. Yeah.
Installé là, mais moi j'ai mis comme un film de. Comme un porte-pierre. Oui, moi j'ai fait faire le porte-pierre de dessous, sous le site. Moi je me développe. Ça là j'ai découpé un petit bout. Là j'ai mis ça.
Yeah, that's cool. I like it. Now here, that's okay. I love the color of that car because it's like a silver. It's a silver, but it has I think a tiny bit of. Would I say blue in there? No, that's silver. That's for anybody who wants to know. That's my favorite color. I love silver. I like the blue on that too, of course. But yeah, I love the color of that car. I've always loved that color. So I've always liked the Beetle. You know, and there again another one that's all pretty much the same color. Yeah, it's pretty much the same color. Again, I love that color. It's always been my favorite color of cars. You know, a little bit more chrome, you know. Yeah, but I'm taking a detour just so I can film some of this for you. Yeah. Yeah, there's the Moncton Public Library. Try to give you everything here. That's nice. Ooh, let's go and take a look at that engine since it's all open here. For all you car buffs. Isn't that nice? Nice. Yeah. I like the color of that. That's cool. Yeah. Wow. All down in front here, eh? That's nice. That's cool. Yeah. I like the lights there. That's just a little added touch. That's cool. Yeah. Look at that. Oh, sorry. There we go. We got something in action here. Okay, that's pretty cool. I like that. That's nice. Yeah, that's nice. I like that. Yeah, look at that. It's all over the place. Yeah. I was going to hang out with my best friend today, but he thought it was going to rain, so he kind of bailed on me. But it's not going to rain. Actually, that rain disappeared because it was only earlier. It was only at 35% chance of rain, but look, it looks like it's going to bypass us. It's not going to rain after all. So let's enjoy this day. Oh yeah, I like the green on this. Is that I am the fastest man alive? It's the Flash, okay, but green. A green flash, green. Yes, look at this, green flash. Okay, I like that. I like that. Coming from a Deadpool, with my belt buckle and all. Yeah, that's pretty cool. Okay, did you see that detail here? Look at that little mask. Green flash. Green flash. That's the first time I've ever heard of that. Look at that on the door. Yeah, on the door. That's cool. Oh, look at that! It's on the buckles. Look at that! Look at that! Little figurines there. That's cool. That's that's rad. That's rad. Okay, let's look at you look at this, and then yeah. It's red flash. I'm just showing my wallet to everybody, my flash wallet. But that is cool.
That's a green flash.
Green flash. Yep. Details on everything. Look at this. Right there on there. It says green flash. You can't save the world alone. Justice League. Green flash. Like, look at that. It's even on the tires, It's on the tires. Like, on the rim. Gorgeous dog. Awesome. Oh, yeah. This fantastic. I'm glad I got a chance to film this before you guys left. Awesome. Look at that. Oh, it's everywhere on it. It's beautiful. It's perfect. It's perfect. All right, I get to see what I wanted there. That's awesome. Okay, look at that. For me, this is just a. I mean, if it had all the time travel stuff, it would be cool. But it's not too often I get to see a DeLorean. But of course, look what they have in there. I have to show you that little flux capacitor. So there's a little time machine in there somewhere. Yeah, I like that. That's cool. I had to show you that. But yeah, it's not too often I get to see a DeLorean close up. You know, that's that's yeah, Scott. That's awesome. Even there's quite a few cars in the parking lot here too. Okay, there's way too many for me to look at. I gotta get going, but I'm filming as much as I can as I go along. Yeah, I sort of gotten detoured, but that's all good. There we go. As the green flash rolls away, that's awesome. That's awesome. Get on this side of the fence. Yeah, that's awesome. That's great. I'm staying silent just so you guys can take in the moment a little bit as I walk through here. Yeah, no, I'm not doing any zooming because I don't want to get all disoriented. And there goes the green flash. Bye, green flash. Oh, yeah. So, yeah. I might come back after, on my way back. I don't know, because I wouldn't normally come this way, coming back home. How long have I been filming? Oh, I don't want to film too long. So I'm going to let you go right now. And yeah, and hopefully I'll make another video later. I do want to make another video later or two, if I'm in the mood. But I am going to be doing some learning there. There's a couple of things I need to take care of. I got to do another test for my thing at work, but but I have to. Yeah, I have some learning to do, something to do. I might be able to do some editing, and that's what I want to do tonight or maybe tomorrow, because I'll have the whole day tomorrow. It's supposed to rain all day tomorrow. It looks horrible. But anyway, it'll give me an opportunity to stay home, get some stuff done that needs to be done. Yeah, so hopefully I'll get some great stuff for you coming up as soon as I can. So I might do another little bit of taping with my phone, but we'll see. All right, everybody, I'm gonna let you go for now, and please, I love you all. Please be safe. Take care. I'll see you on the flip side, and please, everybody, have a great day, evening, morning, night, afternoon, wherever you may be. Peace, everybody, and